Hello, Kofanya. Look, I have cat ears attached to my head. Sort of, if you believe. Pretend that they're not moving around the way they shouldn't be. Today, we are playing this new game called Stray. It came out today. I don't really know anything about it. I actually learned about it yesterday. Because everyone was talking about it. Alright, let's play this game. Oh my goodness, this is a jetpack. We hate it. We're flopping to the floor. Oh, I can't walk like this. This is perfect. This is exactly how cats react when you put something on them. I can't do it. Too weird. Those videos of dogs wearing shoes. It sounds familiar, but it makes me uneasy. Like a circus. Maybe that's why. Like a creepy circus. Meow! He says love! He loves me! He loves cat. That's so cute! Everybody loves kitty cat.